Hello, what's up?
Not too much. Name's Mitch from Canada. Back here for my second tattoo on my other knee.
Okay.
Just simply because, one of the best artists I think probably in India,
Wow.
and one that I've actually encountered over my time, travels through Australia, Canada, New Zealand. So back to, endure some more pain but well worth it, I think, in the end. And that's
Can you tell me what is the first tattoo that you got it done? Can you see that?
Oh yeah, this guy here.
Okay.
It's quite a beauty, beautiful little Mandala there, and then a stag on the top.
Okay.
She made it very easy, so I can say that definitely worth it, worth the pain.
Perfect. And what are we doing now?
We're now doing my other knee here. Do a little bit of contrast from the stag, going to a wolf.
Okay.
Similar kind of design, but kind of a different meaning behind it. The whole idea is, the concept is, this is to represent the two sides of myself.
Okay.
One being like the deer, which is like gentle, beautiful, majestic, I guess, and then the wolf is, fierce, courageous, strong, and that's kind of how I view, myself. So
the two sides to you.
the two sides, the yin and the yang, kind of, if you will. But yeah.
Perfect. So
Yeah.
you're excited?
Very excited. Yes. Yes.
Perfect. Let's see what you have here. So we're gonna make something like this. Perfect.
It's gonna be good.
All the best.
Cheers.
We're back again. How are we doing?
Doing well. Good little 4-hour tattoo session there. Made it through.
Made it through successfully.
Worth the pain and the endurance there, but I love it. Yeah, it's beautiful, and like they just complement each other very nicely.
Yes. Perfect. Which one was more painful?
Probably the sky, just with the shading, a little bit of a different pain, but it was bearable. It was bearable. Made it. I'm very, very happy. It's always nice when you're out of the chair, you see the finished product and the quality of the work as well. I know it's always gonna be good. So it's all worth it at the end, really. Yeah, but I love it.